You need traffic. Well, that's a stupid question. Of course, you need traffic. If you're in the online space, you need to have traffic coming to your offers. Well, today I have an excellent opportunity for you to get three different traffic sources sending you automated traffic. And of course, I have one of the best bonuses that I've ever put together. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of the three Amigos. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know by now that my jokes, they're really bad. They're stale. I get it. I tell very, very stale, boring dad jokes. But I like my jokes, so I tell them anyway. And just deal with it. But if you are new, then you probably want to listen. If you're not, go skip ahead. You know by now. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might as well very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay. Bart. This guy, for years, I'm telling you, he has been going on and on and on. Bart, it's enough. We get it. Okay, it's enough. Nobody wants crap. These people don't want it. You don't want it. I don't want it. So why are you talking about it? The guy is relentless. Absolutely relentless. But seriously, if the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship. Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she is a sweetheart of a lady. She always does the same thing. You think I would get angry at her, but hey, she's so sweet. Who can get angry at her? By the way, if you are a regular to the channel, you may have noticed I did redecorate my office a little bit, added some more artwork and the lamp and also the little weather station behind me. Those who know me well know that I love art and antiques and happened to pick up this particular painting, the one of the Son of Man I've had for a long while. It's the faceless man, the bowler hat, which of course, since I'm the man in the hat, was appropriate. The painting of the rabbi I just recently picked up, and I also got this new weather station, which you can see off to the side. Anyway, just as completely irrelevant to what we're talking about. So let's get back to what we are talking about. Let's go ahead and check out what we have to offer today. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the three Amigos. This is from my friend Dawood. Now, Dawood, his whole focus is all about traffic. That's the only thing he ever does. He wants to drive as much traffic as he can to you. And to that end, he's actually got three different traffic sources that he's going to send to you. So he's got basically, you're gonna be able to send three different URLs to his Reach My Tribe rotator, which includes 35,000 people. Plus, you send them to three brand new traffic rotators. Plus, you also get reseller rights to place your link, Spring Traffic 2.0 and Truffle Traffic 2.0. Again, this is the only thing that Dawood does. He focuses on traffic. That's it. And the idea is that you get new leads and you are going to be able to use these people to actually be able to build your business up. Now, I'm going to show you the members area in just a second, but before I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because I always have the best custom bonus that anybody has. So first and foremost, I'm reviving a favorite. I had a few people who asked me for this particular bonus, even though it's no longer available. So I'm putting it back, mail warming for free for life. This is a big deal because this basically gives you a way of making sure your emails will land in the inbox instead of the spam filter. I had offered it as a bonus for something else. That bonus is now closed, but since I had a lot of people asking about it, I'm adding that back in. Plus, I'm adding 2 more bonuses for this particular launch. So, first of all, this one is very, very cool. You can see exactly what it is, a subject line generator. You can choose the type of subject line you want. So humorous, serious, optimistic, etc., etc. You can, of course, choose languages. You can choose whether you want an emoji and put in your email, and then put in the email that you've written. And the idea here is that it's going to generate subject lines that are more likely to get opens. And this, of course, is the name of the game when you're doing email marketing. You absolutely, positively need to have people opening your emails. If they don't open your emails, it doesn't help you at all. Okay, the other thing I want to show you, this is, I think, one of the coolest things I've ever found. I just found a new AI system. Now check this out. So I did a search on this new AI system that I found. Now, what this thing does is it takes your search, it'll search online for you. Use GPT-4, by the way, which is the high-end version of ChatGPT, which ChatGPT charges you $20 a month for. This is completely free. And what it does is you put in a search item. First of all, you can see along the right side here, it actually told me exactly where it took all of this information from. So I am not worried about it giving me poor quality information, because if I see something that's like, oh, you know what, this is not a source I want to use, then I can go ahead and remove that source. And the other thing it did for me, it actually went and took all these different sources and summarized them for me. How cool is that? Okay, so I asked it for ideas for making money online, and it put together a summary of all these different things. Just imagine how great this could be for creating a product, for creating blog posts, instant content that is summarizing what's out there on any subject you could possibly imagine. It does include the sources, so you can quote the sources if you want to, and it's going to summarize it perfectly for you. This is revolutionary. What it can do, it's also going to suggest follow-up searches for you as well. None of these are things that ChatGPT can currently do for you. So I was super impressed with this thing, and even more so impressed because it is 100% for free. You don't have to spend a penny on it. In my custom post, I'm going to show you exactly what this is and how to use it, along with the subject line generator. And of course, I'm going to show you the service that provides the free email warm-up for life. So let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here, it's very, very simple. There's not really a whole lot to see. There's one video how all this works, which is going to basically just be that would explain to you that you need to send in your links. You do need to test your links, make sure that they are appropriate for this. And that's pretty much it. You're going to go ahead and get your links added. But that's about it. There's really nothing else to do. Add your links here, add your links here. You do have reseller rights to certain products as well, included with this package. And by the way, the price of all of this goodness, $9.95. That's for the whole kit and caboodle. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you rock. This is really, really awesome. I do love this thing. I think it is a great idea. And frankly, when you're sending up to thousands upon thousands of potential leads, let's say you only get 1% or even 0.5%. Okay, 1% of 35,000 leads is 350 leads. 0.5%, 125 leads. Can you imagine? There is nowhere else you're going to get 100 plus leads for $10. That just does not exist anywhere else. You go and set up a solo ad, you're going to be paying 70, 80 cents per click, and that's per click, not per lead. Realistically, you'll get maybe a 1/3 opt-in rate on a good solo ad. Okay, so you're talking that for, like, let's say you did 100 clicks, you'll get maybe 20 to 30 leads for $70. This, you're going to get potentially over 100 leads for $10. That's insane numbers So, is it going to be the most amazing traffic? No, but with my custom bonus, plus, of course, the fact that you have so many leads to target, this really is a no-brainer. Grab this, you're going to love it.